Hey guys, I received this package from courier today and now we are going to do unboxing of it. In the back side we have got 48 megapixel camera, 5T20 mAh battery and 6.53 bezel screen smartphone. Now we are going to open it. Let's open. So inside the box we have got a cover section. We are going to open it later, and a smartphone that also will open later, and we have got adapter with 5 volts 2.5 amp input, and we have got a charging cable, and it is type C, so fast charging is supported with the USB type A to type C converter cable. Other than that we have not got anything else in the box. So now let's open our phone case. In case box we have got SIM ejector tool, and with that some paperwork, some instructions how to operate this smartphone, and tray description and the slots. And with that we have got a case, a black silicone gel one with flexibility. Now let us open our handset. So it is in grey color with quad camera and fingerprint at the back, and one noise cancellation on the top, and microphone at the bottom with a speaker, and volume rockers on the left side with power button on the right. Let's boot it up. It got a camera on the left top with microphone and speaker on the top, and type C charging cable with 3.5 mm jack. So it is booted up. Now let us check how is the speed of screen lock. It's around 0.35 microseconds. Now let us remove the patch and let us have a look on the back side, how reflective, how shiny it is. So it has a Redmi font written on the back side, and it is like a flashy design. So let us put a case. So if we put a case, it's like the color, the original color is hidden. It looks like completely black. It's good. Thank you for giving this prize as a giveaway. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.